As of January 6, 2026, Redbox accepts prepaid credit cards branded with major networks like Visa, MasterCard, Discover, or American Express. This allows you to rent movies and games even without a traditional credit card. Just ensure your card has sufficient funds to cover the rental cost and any potential late fees. Redbox primarily accepts open-loop prepaid cards. These are prepaid cards that can be used anywhere the affiliated brand, like Visa or MasterCard, is accepted. Store-specific or closed-loop gift cards, such as a Walmart gift card, will not work at Redbox kiosks. First, approach a Redbox kiosk and use the touchscreen to browse and select your movie or game rental. Before proceeding to payment, make sure your prepaid card is activated and not expired, with enough balance for the rental. At the payment screen, swipe your prepaid card through the reader or insert it, just like a regular credit card. The kiosk will ask for verification. Enter your zip code or PIN associated with the prepaid card to complete the process. Remember, using a prepaid card at Redbox is straightforward and works just like any credit card. While there's no specific daily limit for prepaid card use at Redbox, your spending is capped by the card's available balance. Watch out for late return fees, typically around $1.25 per day, as these will be charged to your card. Refunds for canceled rentals are processed back to your card, which can take 3 to 5 business days. You can use prepaid cards for digital rentals through the Redbox app or website. This provides access to movies and games without visiting a kiosk. Link your prepaid card to your Redbox account to enable quick and easy payments. The card must be activated and have sufficient funds. This method offers convenience compared to physical kiosks and fits the growing shift toward digital and mobile payments. If your prepaid card is declined at a Redbox kiosk, the first step is to verify that your card has sufficient funds available and is properly activated. Insufficient balance or an unactivated card are common reasons for transaction failures. Additionally, double-check that you're entering the correct zip code or PIN associated with your prepaid card. Incorrect entry can cause the transaction to be declined, even if funds are available. If the issue continues despite checking funds and entry details, reach out to Redbox customer support or contact your prepaid card issuer directly for further help and resolution. Redbox is moving toward more contactless payment options. By 2027, they plan to integrate NFC-enabled kiosks, allowing tap-to-pay with prepaid cards. While digital rentals are on the rise, prepaid cards will likely remain a viable payment method at Redbox for the foreseeable future. For enhanced security, Redbox has implemented chip and PIN technology at its kiosks, adhering to EMV standards. Be mindful of potential fraud risks and choose major network-branded prepaid cards for better protection. Redbox may introduce stricter verification processes to combat rising fraud in the future.